Hello, welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to make some Easter bunny motif. This can make a good garland. First, let us make some popcorn flowers. I'm going to use Bernat Premium yarn. This is made in Turkey. So I'm going to start with a magic circle. Magic circle is just like this. You can insert the hook, get the yarn, and make a chain one. Then I'm going to make 7 single crochets. First chain one is considered as one single crochet, so we are going to make 7 single crochet. Now we have 8 stitches in the base, and we can tighten the magic circle, then slip stitch to the first chain one. Then we are going to start making the popcorn flower. So chain 2, which is considered as the first double crochet. Then insert the hook into the same space, bring up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Now grab the yarn, pull through the first 2 loops, then grab the yarn again, bring through the next 2 loops. 1 double crochet is made, so we make 2 more double crochet. We need 5 stitches, so we are going to make 3 more double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first chain 2 is considered as the first double crochet. Then insert the hook on the top of the second chain of the first chain 2. Then bring it to the back and get the loop of the last double crochet. Then, like a slip stitch, bring it through that chain 1 at the top. Then make 2 chains. Then go to the next stitch. We are going to make 5 double crochet. 3, 4, and 5. Insert the hook in the first double crochet, come through the back, then get the loop of the last double crochet, bring it through the first double crochet. You have another popcorn made. Then chain 2. So we make 1 popcorn separated by 2 chains in all these stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first popcorn petal. Now we are going to cut the yarn and finish off the flower. I'm going to add my second color in one of the chain 2 spaces and make chain 2, which is considered as the first double crochet. Then I'm going to make 4 double crochet in each chain 2 spaces. So we have 1 2 3 4. So we are going to make 4 double crochet in each of the chain 2 spaces. Here I am going to work on top of the yarn tail from the previous round, this one. Not cutting there. Now I make one chain 1, then in the same space I am going to make 1 2 3 half double crochet. Then in the next space, next stitch we are going to make 4 half double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Now we are going to chain 1, which is considered as 1 single crochet. Then I am going to do single crochet on top of the stitches here. 3 4 5 6 7. Then chain 1, do the same way again, make a 7 single crochet, 1 on each stitch. I got some hair on here. 3 4 5 7. Okay. Now I am going to make 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10. Now on the second chain from hook, I'm going to make a single crochet. Then the next stitch, I'm going to make 1/2 double crochet. Then I'm going to make double crochet in the next one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the next one, we are going to make a 1/2 double crochet. Then I'm going to slip stitch to the base of this here, the previous row. Then again chain 10, and repeat that one. I guess single crochet from the second chain from hook. Then we make a 1/2 double crochet in the next one, then double crochets, and a 1/2 double crochet. Then we are going to slip stitch at the base. Below that we have single crochet line, so we are going to make one slip stitch over there. Then the next here is the 1/2 double crochet, so we make 2 slip stitch on the 1/2 double crochet. Then we are going to the base of the round. We make 9 slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. On the 9th here we make chain 2. Then we make 2 double crochet together. That is, okay, I'll tell you one more time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, yarn over hook and bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops. We are not finishing it. Now we are going to do half of the next double crochet, go through the 2 loops on the hook. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now so we are up to 9 slip stitches. Then we make chain 2. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet together. That is, yarn over the hook, yarn over hook, insert the yarn in the same space, then bring up a loop, then yarn over the hook, bring through 2 loops, then again yarn over the hook, insert the hook in the same space, bring up a loop, yarn over the hook, bring through 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now we are going to yarn over and go through all 3 loops. Now we are going to make another 2 double crochet together in the next stitch. And this 1 and 2 double crochets. Then we are going to yarn over and bring through 3 loops on the hook. So 2 double crochet together. Then we are going to chain 2 and connect a slip stitch to the same stitch. Now we are going to make another 9 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we make the front paw of the bunny. 1 chain, then we make 2 half double crochets and make another 2 double crochets, half double crochets in the next chain. Then we make a chain 1, then slip stitch to the same stitch. Now we are going to slip stitch all the way up to here. Once I am here, I am going to stop here. Now I can cut the yarn and weave all the yarn tails. So this is the finished bunny. I weave in all the tails of the yarn. Now it is finished, and a little bit of blocking will help the ears to stay in the place and lay flat. Now you can add this as a motif to on your bag or a dress or something, or you can attach it to a blanket. Whatever you choose to embellish with, that will be fine. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share with your friends. If you know somebody who likes to get crochet patterns, please share it with them. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, so whenever new videos are uploaded, you will know first. Hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.